Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delightful jam cupcakes. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder for the dry mix. For the wet components, have 1 stick of unsalted butter, 2 large eggs, and 1/2 cup of whole milk ready. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and about 1/2 cup of your favorite fruit jam for that sweet surprise inside. Now let's get to mixing our batter. In a large bowl, cream together 1 stick of softened unsalted butter and 1 cup of granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, beat in 2 large eggs, one at a time, making sure each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Gradually add 1 1/2 cups of flour, alternating with 1/2 cup of whole milk, mixing until just combined. Finally, stir in 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. With our batter ready, it's time to prepare for baking. First, line a 12-cup muffin tin with paper liners. Fill each liner about 2/3 full with the cupcake batter. Now, for the jam surprise. Create a small well in the center of each cupcake using a spoon, then carefully spoon about 1 teaspoon of your favorite fruit jam into the center. Bake these delightful treats at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean. Once your delicious jam cupcakes are baked, the final step is to decorate them. First, ensure they cool completely on a wire rack. This is crucial for perfect frosting. Next, prepare a simple buttercream frosting using powdered sugar, softened butter, and a splash of milk. You can pipe or spread this frosting generously over each cooled cupcake. For an extra special touch, garnish each cupcake with a small dollop of jam or a piece of fresh fruit. Enjoy your homemade jam cupcakes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.